hoping you'd come and help me in the lab. We can get to know each other. I can show you your incantation.
Please tell me you lost a bet.
Why?
Flower in your hair, girl. You've got my wax that clean. Like you have a wash. I don't need to know.
She can be strong and pretty. Stop with that, guys.
You say you're mutants. That's why you don't understand what people feel. But the truth is, you're choosing to be ignorant ourselves, aren't you?
A little.
You know, my grandmother fought battles and wore dresses.
Mm.
You can do both.
Yes, you can.
No, though.
So that's Miss Jack helping me.
But there is something strange.
Maybe still it was Saint?
Last night.
More stellar stuff. How did two different monsters wind up with the same monster?
They came from the same place.
I don't know. Do you know?
That's what you know about.
Corruption and chaos belongs to us. Turn your backs. Join the procession.
You are brave. Let us help.
It's a good way to do it.
When that night captured me, I screamed. And that's when the monolith cracked and fell. I toppled it.
I need to see it for myself.
And what about...
Me to stand down. And if these monsters are my fault,
It's all right.
God.
Wait.
Huh?
Sue, I always knew you were a blood-sucking, joyless hugger.
Yes.
Hugging. We are hugging.
Yesterday's mother's problem was never present since on each twit.
Drink? I'm gonna drink. I'm not having this conversation unless I'm drinking.
I heard the song. Geralt must have left quite a sour taste in your mouth.
What? No one leaves any taste in my mouth. Thank you very much. Not something about anyone. 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 Anyone.
Okay?
Fine, yes. When I wrote it, we're better off without me.
No.
Yes.
No.
The sound fiber.
What? No. Yes. No.
No?
I would not wish that fate on my worst enemy, and yes, you are firmly lodged in that category, it has to be said, but what they've done to you and your people is unspeakable.
It is.
But some people are speaking. There are anonymous benefactors working behind the scenes.
What's in it for you?
I was at the Great Oak playing Venice when it was raided. They come for the Altair affair. They'll come for the tools. And sooner or later they will come for whatever. Anyone that they deem the other. Eventually, no artist is safe.
Oh, sound piper. Man, myth, legend. I need your help.
Stand back, stand back!
He's with me.
No, no, no.
I'll do what I can. But know this. You both smell truly awful. I mean, we leave Oxenford at nightfall. Plenty of time to take a bath before then.
Huh?
Just saying. I can't be what you want, Triss. What you deserve. If things are different.
Then you're what I was looking for. Your pain excited me. Because I finally felt something again.
Give me half the sun.
It's weird to say it like that, no?
I can hardly see the marks.
Some wounds cannot be healed. I hope that in your search to feel again, you feel your value.
Serious.
To me, you are important to me, Triss.
You're sending wrong signals. Or maybe it's the right ones, but I don't want to hear them.
I have a girl to protect. I can't just stay here.
I have a friend who studies monolith. I can also use it.
I'm talking about Jennifer.
Stay back!
The two of you meeting? Boy?
Who the fuck are you?
The Witcher. It's gonna end with that? No, okay. Absolutely. It would be a good end.
A group of elves from Tresigo is on board already. I'll set until I give you the signal. I'm gonna do what I do best. What's that? Oh, I never really know.
Ugh. No one can figure your plan because it's always unplanned.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Papers, absolutely, papers. Absolutely. The golden one, the golden rule.
Is that the song with the... Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah.
It's gonna work.
You're scared the bart.
Guilty.
Oh. Not literally. Don't worry about the papers. Oh, thanks for the tune. You don't mind me saying so, that one, it's not your strongest.
Oh, yeah.
Duh!
When that magic kiss, that was a bit cheap.
Yeah?
I spotted the dragon reveal a mile away.
Oh, you're clever.
Bit when the lute player ends up with the warrior ladies.
Lovable lutenist.
Yeah. Didn't really ring true for me, I must say.
Don't react.
Am I gonna say it? Yeah, I'm gonna say it. You know, if you could write yourself a little song, you could sing yourself. Dark-side, scapegrace, a quarreling, feculent, a beef-witted, I'll distract him, you take them on the road.
What the hell? I'm not going to fucking sit down without you. I had to walk before I step to the gate.
Ah,
Listen to me.
okay.
None of us
I was searching why, you know.
Practically worships you.
naturally.
Should be heartbroken to hear her favourite bard is a
Died.
sleeping partnership of brains.
Fuck the Lord.
No.
Fuck the North!
You're trying to repay your debt? Your mistake?
Fuck the elves! Go on, get stuck in.
Okay, I forgive you what you did before, I forgive you. What they're gonna do to you now?
According to Gavin, no one knows the continent's vegetation better than you. Tell me I'm not crazy.
Fingway. This only grows where other blood has been spilled. Where did you find it?
Elder Blow?
Everywhere that girl got her ass kicked.
Elder blood was wiped from the continent generations ago.
She
There
has?
are legends.
That
That
Elder
blood
Blow?
was one of the key ingredients in the creation of the first Witcher mutagens. Another Witcher has been created since.
Has made a new buzz.
Destiny has given us a gift key to making more Witchers.
This girl?
Ciri.
You want to use her blood? Oh, I'm not sure. I can't see... I can't see a way for that to end bad.
Once, you didn't know you.
Someone should be there to receive you on the other side.
Thank you. I'll make sure they get everything they need from me, right?
What?
Your egg?
What?
What happened to you?
Do you know that she doesn't have power anymore?
Chaos. Appears to be done with me.
You've lost your magic.
Go on, get your gloating in. Time to use it.
You know, once upon a time, I would have used this opportunity to call you an empty, lonely, power-hungry she-demon, but I'm an artist, you know. It's my job to put myself in other people's shoes, even if they are, in your case, large, clunky, and I'm scared too. I'm scared that one day the muses will stop speaking to me because who are? Only can no longer do the one thing we were put on this continent to do.
I'm not sure of that. Don't tell her that.
If I can give up this.
Yes! She can find a new one.
Goodbye. Good luck.
Please. May you meet again. Ah, no, 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 no! Nothing bad is gonna happen to him.
Jennifer! We have to save ourselves.
I'm gonna... Okay, that's it. I want to see that. You know, I'm seeing that on my television, it's far away. I want to see that again, but on my computer, to be sure that I saw that right at the end. Okay, that is lute, you know, his instrument. Where is he? It's destroyed, okay. Where is he? No, no, no. He's not dead. Don't. No. I know that it sounded like goodbyes, you know, between them, like goodbyes for good. I know that right there, if he was stopped by this man that he just met before, maybe they can want to kill him. I know, but he's not dead. We didn't see him dead. You know my rule with that, body count as cost. If I don't see that, the person is not dead. That's the fucking rule. And it always, almost always, like 99% of the time, it's doing the job. Remember Vikings? The final episode? That girl knew it. Remember other characters like that? That girl knew it. Okay, in some other shows, like maybe in The Expanse, during entire seasons, I thought that one character was not dead, and in fact, he was since seasons. Okay, maybe. Stop. No, he's not dead. He can't be. I love him too much. It was so cool to see him again. Because of the music moment, but also because he's bringing really some fun into this show, like funny lines, but also funny situations. Him meeting again like that with Yennefer, being so surprised that she's hugging him, like only Jaskier, I have still trouble to say his name, Jaskier, only him can do that. It's such a good character. We were glad that right there he helped them. Even if the story that he told, you know, about his house, that was awful. All of what is happening with the house, you know, is the fact that people are treating them like that. And he's right, you know, like, if they're beginning with them, after that it's gonna be everyone who is the other, you know, the stranger. Really cool. Racist stuff into this show during this season, like, really cool. To deal with racism into this show against all of the different kind of human beings, you know. And it was cool also that scene with him being being like, no, I'm not gonna say anything. Oh, I'm gonna say it. You know, like, he can't let that guy talk bad about his songs and all. Like, I'm the one who is singing. I'm deciding what I want to sing. That was fun, come on. That's such a cool character. So no, he's not dead. All these two men, you know, were helping you, and that one dying like that. The other one after that dying like that. That was awful. For different reasons, but still that was awful. But it's telling again all of the situation with the house, you know. The fact that they are tracked like that, forced to hide themselves, they can be killed just like that. They are treated like that, like really racist stuff. Cool, really cool. That's ironic. I hope that you understood that. I don't know if Yennefer is gonna get out of the boat right there. I think that she's gonna go into Sintra, no matter what. Like, she can't really help the situation right there. Yes, we didn't see her getting out, when at the end of the last episode we saw her not doing that, you know, saving herself, and also no, I don't think that she's gonna do something right there. And she heard also that people were coming, people were reacting, so yes, I don't think that she's gonna intervene. About that guy, you know, that person who is advising that ruler, I don't know what to think about that situation. You're a bad advisor, for sure. I mean, you're a bad advisor, but you're a good politician. You know how to manipulate that person to push an idea into his mind, and really such in a short time. Congratulations. But after that, you being that drunk and seeing all of your plan to that end, like, it felt so wrong, you know, it felt so so stupid of you also to do. I understood what happened during the first scene, you know, with the poison, with killing these 2 persons, with what you did by putting your idea into the mind of that guy. But after that, I had the weird impression that that person who is inside of the hall, you know, we saw stuff like we were into it. I had the impression that it was manipulating you so you could tell your secrets and all. I don't know. It was weird. Tris, at the end of the last episode, they said that you were summoned somewhere. Geralt summoned you? Because right there he said that he did, you know, so you could help Ciri. Ciri, she wants to learn from you, that's great. So these creatures that are coming from that monolith, you think, Ciri, that you're responsible for these creatures? But they are all after you. Are we sure that they want to kill you, these creatures? I'm not so sure of it. Again, during the episode 2 or 3, I can't remember, that creature blocked, you know, and looked at you like that. Maybe I'm totally wrong with that theory. But still, you're responsible for them. What you saw during that dream, you know, that new premonition, what it was? Daughter of Chaos belongs to us. Join the procession. There is only death here. Daughter of Chaos belongs to us. It's you, the Daughter of Chaos? Or they are talking about Yennefer or someone else? Daughter of Chaos belongs to us. Turn your backs, join the procession. Like, it's almost join us. Yes, I think that it's about you. They are saying that you're the Daughter of Chaos, that you belong to them, that you have to turn your back on your actual friends and to join them, to join the procession, to join them, to join these creatures. You know, coming from the monolith, because right there it's the monolith talking to you. We had that thing during the first episode about are you a monster or not? And you have the elder blood. That's what you discovered at the end. Okay, them they are glad because with that they wish that they can create new witches. I'm not sure of that, you know, I'm not sure that it's a good idea. She's a girl, a young girl, you want to use her blood. Are we sure that we want to create witches? Like, okay, I understand why you want to do that, but still, I'm not sure of the processes of that. Why are you not focusing yourself on the fact that she has an elder blood? How could she have that blood? You know, for now, for these 4 episodes, I said it, first one, Ciri understood that Geralt is there to protect her. Second one, that she can trust him. Third one, she learned how to defend herself and she wanted to prove herself. This one, she was trying to prove herself still. She can be strong, that she can be powerful. Like, she was interested by that. She's searching herself, you know, like, she said during the episode 3 that she wanted to do stuff like the witches, and during this episode she wanted to train, you know, with Tris, like she wanted to learn stuff from her. I don't know how to interpret that, you know. She wants to belong, you know, in fact, to a group, to people. She was all alone during all of this time. She's without family, without her people, you know, in a way. That's it, she wants to belong. That's why she can accept to belong, you know, in a way, to Geralt, maybe. She wanted to belong to that group, to be a part of that group, the Witchers. Right there, she can see that maybe she is like Tris, so she can belong to that new group. You know, the fact that she tried to look like her, or at least that moment, there is something like that, I think, for Ciri. And maybe it can be an issue at some point. Maybe if she would feel like you're rejecting her a little, maybe she's gonna go like, that's it, I'm not belonging to you, I'm belonging to another group, and maybe the bad guys. Do you understand what I mean? Can it be an issue at some point? I'm less sick Maybe my voice didn't change a lot, but I have the impression that it's improving. And me, I can feel it, you know, with my eyes and all, I can feel like I'm less sick. Oh, it's so cool. I have to be careful still because, again, right there into my apartment, it's 25 degrees outside, and at the end of the day, it might be like 5 or 6 degrees. So I have to be careful. But, I'm feeling better. It's so great. You saw me evolving, you know, during the day with these 4 first episodes. And I will see you tomorrow for the 4 next episodes, last one of this season 2. Again, if you want, you already have all of them on my Patreon with an extended or for action part. Maybe it can interest you. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.